Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, Shawna Plant-Based Lifestyle. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment, and always remember, your health is your wealth. Welcome back my viewers and my subscribers. So today I have a very simple video. I'll be making steamed spinach with carrots. So stay tuned for this video. So here are the ingredients that I'll be using. A bag of spinach that I cut, half tomato dice, I have half a carrot chopped, onion, and I have bell peppers, and I have a piece of green peppers. I want it to be a little spicy, so I'll add some hot peppers to it. Let's jump into it, guys. That the pot is heated, I'm going to add a teaspoon of coconut oil. Now I'm going to add all my ground seasoning except the carrots. I'll add that later on. The bell peppers, the onion, the tomatoes, and my hot pepper. I will saute this on medium heat for 3 minutes. There we go. Now that has been sauteed, I'll add my spinach, green leafy vegetables, very healthy. I'll add my carrot to it. Add some water, less than quarter cup, because I don't want it to be too soggy. If it needs more water, I'll add that afterwards, but I'll just put the lid on and allow it to generate its own water and steam. So see you about 3 minutes, guys. I'm checking in back on my spinach, and I'm going to just combine everything. As I said, a lot of water was generated, so you don't have to put the lid on, because once the lid is on, it generates water. Sprinkle some black pepper, not a lot. I'm going to add some Mrs. Dash. Add seasoning to taste. This is about probably quarter teaspoon. Add a dash of salt, just a little bit again. I put it on low heat. Tenderize the carrot. 5 more minutes, then I'll check back on it. I will not put the lid on because I do not want any more water in here. This is what it looks like. I added some more pepper because I wanted it to be a little bit more spicy. And yeah, this is looking perfect. It will be my breakfast, but you can have it as a side, you can have it as a lunch, whatever you choose. So stay tuned to my channel for more and more healthy plant-based recipes. Thank you for viewing. Thank you for sharing. Thank you for tuning in. See you next time. Always remember, your health is your wealth.